Time is a mystery. Some say it doesn't exist, and yet we live our lives governed by it. How will you choose to spend your time? What will you create? This is Horology by Pamela and Meek. Horology is the study and measurement of time, and this design was created to give you the gift of lovely moments spent creating. I've known from the time I was a little girl that I wanted to create. I wanted to take fibers and fabrics and other materials and use those to create art. And since you're watching this video, I know you must feel the same. Creating is a gift that we give to ourselves. It's time that we choose to spend just for us because we love what we do, and then it blesses others because they get to wear and treasure the beautiful gifts that we give them. And so today I am so glad you're here because I get to show off this beautiful rainbowy pattern, which is not only a delight to knit, but it is absolutely stunning when finished. Horology is a shlanket, so you can wear it like a shawl or you can cuddle up with it and use it like a blanket. The gorgeous design that you see repeated throughout this shlanket is called the Ginkgo leaf stitch. And I think it's really beautiful because it has a nice open airy laciness to it, but also some solidity as well. And I love how this pattern has both vertical and horizontal lines. Horizontally, you're gonna find these beautiful undulating waves, and you can add beads to those if you so wish, adding just a little bit of sparkle and shine to your project. And then vertically, the pattern has these subtle little wavy lines that to me look like cascading leaves, mimicking the passage of time. And this entire pattern is encapsulated with a garter stitch border, framing all of those lovely stitches like the work of art that they are. And of course, we have to talk about the rainbowy goodness that we use to make this design. This is our Zodiac Hues on our Luster Sport yarn, which is a soft and long-wearing yarn, wonderful for blanket. And of course, you can choose to work the colors in whatever order that you like. We chose to work them in a beautiful rainbow. I am going to be giving away a full set of this Zodiac Hues today, so if you would love to enter, just make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment below letting me know your zodiac sign. I'm a Libra. You can download this beautiful pattern and get the yarn at ExpressionFiberArts.com. While you're there, sign up for email and text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. To get started on this project, you're gonna need yarn, of course, as well as a circular needle long enough to hold 227 stitches. To begin working this design, you will work the Chinese waitress cast on, which we have shown already how to work in our Alpenglow video, so you can check that out if you like, or you can just use the long tail cast on method. And then you're gonna work 8 rows of garter stitch. Garter stitch just means to knit every stitch every row. And I'm working this over 29 stitches today just for a smaller swatch, and because someone always asks, I'm using Serenity on Sparkle DK, which is our Expression Fiber Arts color of the year. For row 1, we're gonna start with a knit 5, and this is our border. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we're gonna go ahead and place a stitch marker just to make it a little easier so that we know where our border is. Yarn to the front, you'll purl 1, and then you're gonna repeat across your row, knit 17, purl 1. So we'll start with our knit 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Yarn to the front, purl 1. So you'll continue to repeat that all the way down your row, and when you have 5 stitches left, go ahead and grab another stitch marker and pop that onto your needle, and we'll work this border, which is also knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there's row 1. For row 2, we're gonna start with a knit 5, and that's our border, of course. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and go ahead and slip your stitch marker from your left to your right needle. Then you're gonna repeat across your row, knit 1, purl 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And you'll continue to repeat that down until you have 6 stitches left. And you'll finish with a knit 1, slip your marker, and then knit 5 for your border. And that completes row 2. Row 3 starts with your knit 5 for your border. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and slip your stitch marker, yarn to the front, purl 1. Then here's what you're going to repeat across your row. Knit 2 together, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a slip slip knit. So slip that next stitch knitwise, and again with the next stitch, and then we knit those through the back loop. Then purl 1. When you have 5 stitches left, go ahead and slip your marker and knit those 5 stitches. And row 3 is done. For row 4, we're going to start with a knit 5 for our border. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and slip your stitch marker. Then you're going to repeat across your row, knit 1, slip, slip, purl. So to work that, you're going to slip the next stitch as if to knit, and the next stitch as if to knit, and then pass those back onto your left needle. And then you're going to reach behind and insert this needle from left to right into both of those stitches. So like so, and purl those together through the back loop. Then you're going to purl 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then you'll purl 2 together. So purl those next 2 stitches together for a decrease. And you'll repeat that all the way down, finishing with a knit 1, pass your stitch marker, and work knit 5 for your border. 4 and 5. For row 5, we will work our border, knit 5 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and slip your stitch marker and work a purl 1. All right, then we're going to repeat across our row, knit 2 together, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to work a yarn over, knit 1 3 times. So yarn over, knit 1, that's once, yarn over, knit 1, that's twice, and yarn over, knit 1, that's 3 times. Then yarn over, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to work a slip slip knit. Slip that next stitch like so, and the next stitch, and then we knit them together through the back loop. Purl 1 and continue repeating that. When you get to the end, slip your stitch marker and work your border stitches. Knit, knit, and knit. Row 6, we're going to start with a knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip your stitch marker, and then repeat across your row, knit 1, slip, slip, purl, so slip, slip, pass them both back onto your left needle, and purl through both of them through the back loop. And then purl 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then purl 2 together for a decrease. Then you're going to repeat that until you have 6 stitches, and you'll knit 1, pass your marker, and knit 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there's row 6. For row 7, we start with a knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip your stitch marker and purl 1. Then you're going to repeat across your row, knit 2 together, knit 2, then we're going to work a yarn over, knit 1 7 times. So yarn over 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3, yarn over 4, yarn over 5, yarn over 6, yarn over 7, then yarn over, knit 2. We're going to work a slip, slip, knit, and then a purl 1. So slip, slip, knit, purl 1, and then work your border stitches. Knit, 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 and knit. Row 8 starts with a knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go ahead and slip your stitch marker and then repeat across your row. Knit 1, slip, slip, purl, slip, slip, slide them back onto your left needle, purl through the back loop of both of those. Purl 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, purl 2 together, and when you get to the end, you're going to finish with a knit 1, slide your stitch marker, and knit 5. Row 9 starts with a knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and slip your stitch marker and purl 1. Then you're going to repeat knit 2 together, knit 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then you'll work a slip, slip, knit, slip, slip, knit, purl 1, and when you get to the end, slip your marker and knit 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Row 10 starts with our border stitches, so knit those, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip your marker, and then you're going to repeat knit 1, purl 17, purl 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And then you're going to finish off by knitting those final 6 stitches. Row 11 starts with knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slip your marker and purl 1. Then repeat across your row, knit 17, purl 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, purl 1, and then when you reach your border stitches, you'll just knit those. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Row 12, you're just going to knit across. So knit your border stitches, pass your stitch marker, and then just knit all of your stitches. And this row is a nice and lovely brain break. So it gives you a nice pause, a nice little ah in your knitting journey. So just take this row to breathe, relax your shoulders and your hands, and just knit away. Pass your marker when you come to it, and work your border stitches. For row 13, I'm going to show you how to put beads on if you so choose. You're going to start with knit 5 for your border, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip your marker, and then you're going to work a knit 1, a purl 1, and then you repeat across, yarn over, knit 2 together. So yarn over, knit 2 together, and here's where you put your bead on if you want to. You're going to grab a little tiny crochet hook and slide it onto a bead. Go ahead and grab that stitch that you just worked right off of your right needle. Just boop, and then pull it up through your bead. And I'm using a gigantic bead just to make it easier for you to see. And then you just slip it back onto your right needle. And it's as easy as that. So if you want to do that, you're going to end up with a beautiful string of beads across your row. Or you can just work knit 2 together. So yarn over, knit 2 together. So you put another bead on if you want. Yarn over, knit 2 together. Put a bead on. Yarn over, knit 2 together. So it's up to you if you add the beads or not. I say give it a try. I think they're so beautiful. Yarn over, knit 2 together, and continue repeating that across. Yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together. And then when you're close to your border stitches, you will purl 1, pass your stitch marker, and knit those final 5 stitches. 4 and 5. Now for row 14, we are just going to knit across. So you'll knit your border stitches, you'll pass your stitch marker, and then just knit the remainder of the stitches. So this is another soothing, easy row. And after all that stunning bead work, if you chose to do the beads in the previous row, you get to just rest again, recenter your mind and your body, and know that you've just completed a beautiful ginkgo leaf stitch repeat. Knit, knit, slip your marker, and then work your border stitches. Knit, knit, and knit. And then you're going to repeat those rows, changing colors as mentioned in the pattern. When you get to the end, you're just going to work another garter stitch border, and then your preferred bind off method, and then you have a jaw-dropping shlanket. So I've gone ahead and worked some more border stitches so you can get an idea of what this is going to look like. So you have your beautiful little leaf here, and then this is the row where all of your beads will be sitting if you're applying those, which I think make a fun little addition. So it's just super beautiful. I know that the time you spend on this beautiful project will be time well spent. And when you're finished, you're gonna have an amazing item to cuddle up in or to gift to someone you love. I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see you next Friday with another new design. Bye!